Hello guys and welcome back to Excelsior Academy. So today I've got a very interesting question for you guys, and this is the same question which I used to ask when I used to sit for the interview panel at IISER Pune. Okay, बहुत पुरानी बात हो चुकी है because I used to do that 3 years back. But this question is still being unanswered by all the students to whomever I have asked this question. आज तक ऐसा नहीं हुआ किसी ने ये आंसर मुझे सही दिया हो, ठीक है? So आप सोच रहे होंगे ऐसा क्या मैंने पूछ लिया जो नहीं बता पा रहे? And guys, I'll tell you, you know the concepts. It is the basic concepts of the DNA replication. आपको मालूम है what is leading, lagging, Okazaki fragment, and still all the students to whom I have asked this question were not able to give the answer. So let's check out what is this question. So shown below is a long template strand of DNA where lagging strand DNA synthesis is occurring. Guys, you know, right? आपको मालूम है lagging strand क्या होता है? And mind you guys, these questions, this question I have taken from the reference book itself. इसलिए मैं हमेशा बोलती आई हूँ, you can go to the coaching classes and can crack MCQs. ठीक है, आप CSI crack कर सकते हैं. But to crack interviews, you need to have the clear concepts. आपका logic, आपका thinking, आपका concepts clear होने चाहिए, तभी आप interview crack कर सकते हैं. Anyways, so stay tuned with this Excelsior Academy to help you so that I can help you in cracking your interviews. Anyways, चलो क्वेश्चन में वापस आते हैं. So okay, so DNA with lagging strand synthesis is occurring. इसमें कुछ नई बात नहीं है, आपको मालूम है lagging strand कैसे होता है. Now the short horizontal lines represent two Okazaki fragments that have already been made. Okay, so ये आपका हो गया यहाँ से यहाँ तक दो Okazaki fragments, right? Now, in the context of the replication fork, select the letter A, B, C, D में से that indicates where primase will synthesize the next RNA primer. Now the question comes, why did you choose that location? Guys, you won't believe मैं ये क्वेश्चन कभी पूछा ही नहीं बिकॉज मुझे इसीलिए आंसर कभी सही मिला ही नहीं. अब आप खुद सोचिए व्हाट विल बी द आंसर. ठीक है. Yes, I have taken that pause. Now I hope you got the answer. Now let me just explain you what will be the correct answer. So obviously A, B, C, D में से आपको एक letter choose करना है. I can give you guarantee that nobody said A and nobody said over here. ठीक है? उन्होंने क्या बोला है? I'll tell you. So every time whenever I ask this question, they have given the answer like primase यहाँ से होगा. क्या ये सही है? What do you think? Now the problem is that even though you know the concepts, you're not able to apply it. Now the problem is we know that the DNA synthesis happens in 5 prime to 3 prime direction, 5 prime to 3 prime direction, right? तो सभी को लगता है प्राइमेज यहाँ बनता है, ठीक है? तो कोई किसी ने C बोला है, किसी ने A ऐसे बोला है, कि आपका कैसे कैसे बनता है, ठीक है? Now the problem is इसमें गलती क्या है? ये सही है दैट 5 प्राइम टू 3 प्राइम डायरेक्शन में ही आपका डीएनए रेप्लिकेशन होता है, डीएनए सिंथेसिस होता है. एक्सक्यूज मी. बट द प्रॉब्लम इज ये 5 प्राइम टू 3 प्राइम डायरेक्शन जो है इट इज फॉर योर पेरेंटल टेम्पलेट स्ट्रैंड. डू यू एग्री? दिस इज योर पेरेंटल टेम्पलेट स्ट्रैंड एंड इस टेम्पलेट को देख के आपका डॉटर स्ट्रैंड्स में ओकाजाकी फ्रैगमेंट्स और द लैगिंग स्ट्रैंड आपका सिंथेसाइज हो रहा है. ठीक है. I hope now you got the first mistake that most of the students have done. Okay. Now next what is that? अब पता ये करना है at which location it is going to do. ठीक है. So we have got the two Okazaki fragments. Again, sorry, I'm not feeling well. Okay. So now the thing is कहाँ पे present होगा? Many students said this direction, many students said this direction, but what is the correct answer? क्या लगता है क्या सही होना चाहिए? ठीक है. Now for the daughter strands, this is going to be the 5 prime to 3 prime direction ऐसे जा रहा है. So do you think this direction of making primase is correct? No. अब अगर कोई बोले that now since you know that it is going in this direction, now you know primase आपका किस तरफ पे RNA primer बनाएगा. ठीक है. Now the options are like from D this side और from B this side. आपका D से ऐसे होगा या फिर B से ऐसे होगा. अभी आपके पास दो ऑप्शन है. अब इन दोनों में से कौन सा सही आंसर है that you need to find out. ठीक है. Now how to do that? Now you also know that whenever lagging strand is getting synthesized, Sliding clamp is actually taking the loop structures, very big loop structures, and bringing it forward so that along with the leading strand, it can synthesize the lagging strand. ठीक है? तो क्या होता है? वो एक loop structure को वापस लाता है और जैसे ही वो बन जाएगा उसको छोड़ता जाता है, आगे जाता है, लेता है और छोड़ता जाता है. Now keeping the same concept, guys have taken this in the lectures. Okay, if you go back into the previous lectures which I have taken from the chapter 9 DNA replication, I have shown the video also. Okay. उसमें very clearly you can see that the answer has to be over here. आपका primaries यहाँ आना चाहिए so that it is going to make the Okazaki fragments in this direction. Now to make it more clear, I have shared the picture also for you again. Now this is the same picture. It is taken from the Watson. As like I have already mentioned, Mole Bio के लिए Watson Bible है. If you can understand the entire textbook, Mole Bio is thoroughly understood then. ठीक है, आपको कोई फिर fail नहीं कर सकता है. Now over here also, now you can see already यहाँ पे एक strand है, दूसरा strand है, यहाँ पे इस DNA polymerase ने इसको बनाया and छोड़ा. By the time the second DNA polymerase, which is meant, remember 2 DNA polymerase is required for the lagging strand. So the second will come with the sliding clamp and यहाँ पे primers आएगा, तब बनेगा. The moment this is done and it reaches over here, it is going to leave the strand and तब तक यहाँ पे आपका नया DNA helix single strand ready हो जाएगा. So by the time this will be ready and it will start making synthesizing over here. So it is going in this direction. So 5 prime to 3 prime direction भी maintain किया हुआ है and plus it is making the primaries in this direction. Okay. Yeah. So I hope this is clear, guys. Please read reference books a lot, thoroughly understand the diagrams. That is more than enough to crack any interview. Sorry, either it is from the ISR or ISE or any CSI labs. Okay, guys. So I hope you like this video. You got the concept, like you understood what I really want to convey the message over here. So even if you know the basic concepts thoroughly, but it is important how to apply it. ठीक है, बहुत ही simple question था. आज तक सही जवाब मुझे नहीं मिला. I hope in future if you guys go for the interviews and the same question is being asked, I will be very happy that if you could give the answer after watching this video. Okay, if not, at least the concepts are clear to you. That is more than enough. So guys, all the best for your interviews. If you're watching, please hit the subscribe button also and let your friend circle also know about it. So let's study with the let's study along with the Execution Academy and be ready for our upcoming CSR exam. So thank you guys for watching and keep studying. Stay safe.